guys, and welcome into Hey Beauty DT Slays and an unboxing. This is going to be different. I'm always on here talking to you guys about hair, beautiful units, and lashes and lip gloss, you guys, and we try to do a little bit of everything. Today, I'm going to show you something different. One of my clients has this very unique gift of just buying the best accessory type items. And accessorize is what I believe in. So when someone has a really awesome accessory, I'm probably going to buy it, especially if it has awesome quality. And we are about to unbox some really awesome quality in purses from a good friend of mine by the name of Rhonda and a really awesome Hey Beauty Slayer client, customer, friend, and sister. So you guys, welcome into this unboxing from Purses by Rhonda and Accessories. You guys, let's get to it. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, guess what I want you to do? Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Definitely subscribe, you guys, because there are always going to be giveaways. There are always going to be tips, and there are always going to be extraordinary, and I really mean that, I'm going to say it again, extraordinary quality items that you can get through listening to this channel, especially from owners of businesses who care about what they do and believe in extraordinary work. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today, and this actually came all the way from California to me today and shipped. I was too excited when I opened this box. So I ordered a total of 4 purses and got a very special gift. And as a client of mine, I am giving back to her. So Rhonda, this is for you. I really appreciate you and I thank you. And so this is for you. So you guys, this was the first item. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Very, very cute. What I was most surprised about is while I was looking on the actual picture, it looked very small. It really did. I actually pictured this being about like 5 by 5 or no more than 7.5 by 7.5. I really did not give it that much. But when we got them, this is what they look like, and you see how this looks, right? And it's very deep on the inside as well. So it comes with the long strap and the short strap. This thing cute across it, just like the little takeout food. I just really thought it was so cute. Or you can use the long strap. Either or, so if you want to carry it with the short strap, you could. Now, here is the really awesome part. Take out all this wonderful paper. And it's deep on the inside. Awesome, right? So my little trusty brush, my lip gloss, my ID, all fits in. So if I'm out for an evening, guess what? This is awesome. So this was my daughter's pick, you guys. And she really and truly was excited when she picked it up too. The really funny part is her exact words were, "This is really awesome quality, Mom." When I looked at them, I never would have thought that this was going to look like this. Now, my sister, the Tame 169, ordered one like that as well, and she got hers in really, really cute. And it also has the little small strap on the inside as well, so that she could actually do the same thing. It has the same depth and everything, you guys. The little cute takeout box purse. So freaking cute. They do come in a variety of colors, but you guys do, the items that we got, they do sell out very fast. So if you are looking for these items, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to give you the ability in the description box to actually get in touch with her. And then you'll see information floating across here where you can message her on Facebook and everything and get the things that you need from her. But just, to let you know, you want to make sure that you call her first when placing your order so that you guys can definitely know what is in stock, because this company sells out fast. So the next one, so this is one of mine. It's a heart-shaped clutch. And it's so cute. It has a little hooks on the inside, and it comes with a little chain so that I can either carry it as a clutch if I decide to, or I got this long chain where I can carry it. Now, inside of here, I would be able to carry like my ID, my lip gloss, and see, I even have a very small brush that actually fits off in here, but that's just because I wear long hair and I know that long hair takes tending. And it snaps right back. These come in a variety of colors, just like the takeout box purse you got. And I love hearts. Someone calls me love all the time, and so it just makes it extra. Awesome, right? So cute. So freaking cute. And this one has gold around it. I did see one that also had the silver. So if you'll look here, you'll see gold. So where this is gold, there's another one that is actually silver. So if you want to do a silver accent, you can actually do a silver accent with this particular purse. Extra cute. Now what I do love about this one is it also comes with, guess what, a little strap to make it longer. So on the inside, they have these cute little hooks that you can hook them to. So you don't actually have to carry with this short purse if you don't want to. You can actually have a long way. Super, super cute. Now this one actually has a cute little pocket on the inside of it, guys. See that? Yeah. And so it actually fits. It has. It actually fits the same size as your phone. So my phone, which is the iPhone 12, it actually was the 12 Pro. You guys, the 12 Pro and the 12 Max will actually fit in here. Also the 10s, the 8s, the 8 Pluses. If you still have those iPhones, they fit in here. If you're a Samsung person and you have the Samsung 8, or you have the Samsung 10, 20, 21, and you have the bigger versions of those, you guys, you can actually fit them off in here along with your ID or a small wallet if you want to, and yet your lip gloss and your little brush off in here. And it snaps right back together. Now, this was my bonus purse, you guys, and this is one of those things where somebody looked at you with a personality and said, oh my God. Look at that. Reminds me of a canteen, which I've been doing a lot of fun this weekend. And so now this one has the string that is attached to it, or it can be carried like a clutch, of course. So, also able to put lip glosses, your lip glosses or lipstick if you don't wear, those, but we're just gonna say lippies, okay? So your lippies off in here, as well as a small brush, your IDs, your money for the day or whatever, you guys. But if you're going out, you don't carry a lot anyway. I know I don't, and so you would be able to do the same thing, okay? So either you can carry it as a clutch or you can put it on your shoulder. Yes. So this has been an unboxing for you guys for my friend Rhonda accessories and things, you guys, and I want you guys to be able to get some of these things as well. So I'm going to make sure, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see her information on how to get in contact with her. Also, it'll be in the description box as well, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me today here at Hey Beauty DT Slays, an unboxing for you guys with Rhonda's accessories and things. I hope you've enjoyed them. There will be pictures at the end for you to look at and information in the description box for you guys to get more information. Brenda's Accessories and Things. She is on Facebook, you guys. Please take heed to the information I'm giving you, and that is to please call so that you can get your items and you can be extra. So, today, my lippy is by Black Cosmetics, and I am wearing Sensual. My lashes are by I Envy, you guys. These are 25mm luxury mix. It is the number 8. And of course, I am wearing Wannabe. Her name is Zest. She has been flat ironed, you guys. She is Indian Remy, 25 inches long, and there will be pictures of her at the end as well. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to inbox me and I will inbox her, or you can look at her information in the description box to get anything that you need from either me or her. Thank you so much for joining me, because I can't do what I do without you, and we can't do anything without God. You guys have a very blessed day, and remember, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us.